siya kasi ako rin yung nag-video at gumagawa nito. Hi everyone! So this is ShieCalz and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how I roast my walnuts with the use of my air fryer. Ayan siya guys. So, very easy lang ito guys. Of course, we need, ayan, may walnuts ako dito. And then, Himalayan salt. And then, coconut oil. Ayan, so, yeah. Let's start it. Ayan, so, i-open na natin ang ating air fryer. And of course, ang ating walnuts. Ayan. Lalagay na natin. Ayan. Okay, maganda itong walnuts guys kasi belong ito sa low carb na kind of nuts. So, we're gonna sprinkle some salt. I'm using Himalayan salt, but you can use any kind of salt. And then, after that, ang ating coconut oil. Ayan siya. Mas maganda guys pag yung gagamitin mo yung isi-spray mo lang siya. Pero, ayan, okay na ito. Ayan, so ang gagawin lang para ma-mix siya, yung ating mga pinanglalagay. Igaganan nyo lang siya guys, pero mabigat siya kasi ako rin yung nag-video at gumagawa nito. So, basta gananin nyo lang siya guys. Ayan, so tapos ready na natin siya. Ayan, i-roast. I-ano lang natin siya. Okay, 200 minutes. 200 minutes. Ayan, 200 degrees Celsius for 7 minutes. Sige, ibalikan lang natin mamaya. Alright. Ayan, so ito na ang ating roasted walnuts. Ayan, so ito transfer lang natin siya sa ating serving plate. Finally, ito na ang ating roasted walnuts. Ayan, very easy lang siya guys i-prepare and hindi siya time consuming. So, in just, within 10 minutes, ayan, makaka-prepare na kayo ng ating roasted walnuts. Alright, so that would be all for today's video and I hope I'm gonna see you again on my next video. Once again, this is ShieCalz and please don't forget to like and subscribe. And of course, to hit the bell icon para updated pa tayo sa ating mga next video. So yeah, bye everyone! Thank you so much!